Bonjour! It's day 4 of our trip, and today we are going shopping. And look at this beautiful view behind us, Arc de Triomphe. What a perfect start to the day. We started walking through beautiful Champs-Élysées, and the sun was out. I could see the Arc de Triomphe behind me, and I just walked into Louis Vuitton. I never thought I would say this, but I bought 2 luxury bags in one day in Paris, not because I needed them, not to show off, but because it felt like a moment I had waited years for. I still remember walking past designer stores a year ago, just looking through the glass thinking, one day I may be, not today, not this year, but someday. And it happened. So I actually had an appointment to buy my bag, but things didn't really go as planned. I missed it. We thought, let's try again the next day and see if we get lucky. And honestly, we did. When I got the LV store, there was a long line outside. I told the guy at entrance that I had missed my appointment the day before, and surprisingly, he let me in. Inside, they assigned me a super helpful assistant who understood exactly what I was looking for. I had gone in thinking I would just buy a belt or maybe a casual purse, but then she showed me something special. It was new LV bag just launched in their Paris runway show in March. It was elegant, stylish, and honestly everything I wanted in one bag. I didn't even have to think twice. I bought it. It was a little more than I expected to spend, but it felt so worth it. And the best part, after my purchase, they treated me like a royalty, champagne for me, and they offered coffee and juice for my son. It felt like the perfect celebration of this big moment. They carefully packed everything, and we were ready to head off to our next shopping adventure. Honestly, it was a moment I will never forget, a real dream come true.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze.
This whole street is actually super famous for luxury shopping. All the big brands are here. And yes, I just bought my very first LV bag. I will definitely show you a full unboxing in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do, because I will be sharing more of your shopping experiences and the city adventure in the next videos. They will definitely help you plan your own luxury shopping or explore new places. Before my Chanel appointment in the evening, I actually did a bit more shopping during the day, but to keep this video focused, I will upload that part separately, so make sure to stay tuned for that. After finishing up my LV shopping, it was the time for next shop, Chanel. I already had an appointment and I had updated them in advance about what I was looking for, so everything was ready when I arrived. I initially went to check out the classic small Chanel bag, but then I saw something that completely stole my heart, the flap bag with handle. It made from calfskin with gold metal. This bag is Chanel's 2025 premium seasonal collection. It's also boutique exclusive and a limited edition, which made it feel even more special. The moment I tried it on, I knew it was the one.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves.
Before packing, the assistant showed me the bag one last time just to check if everything was perfect and there was no damage. Once I confirmed, she took it for final packing.
The stillness, the clouds drift high. Thoughts like
To make this moment even more special, they served me champagne while my bag was being packed. If you would like to more details about the bag, like the exact model or price, feel free to ask me in the comments and I will be happy to share. We wrapped up things quickly and headed out. What an unforgettable day.